I received resource consent from Clutha District Council to install a sign on the property. It's larger than the maximum size that's normally permitted, so I got permission for a 6 square metre sign. So I'm at Metalworks Otago and they fabricated the frame for the sign, and we're going to pick that up today on a truck and take it up to site and mount it. Greg Barnes from Barnes Signs has painted the sign for me, and he'll be coming up later today as well with the signs to mount to the frame, and then we'll fit the frame into the ground. I'm with Greg Barnes this morning. He painted the sign for the Kauri Trees property in Taieri Beach Road. Hi Greg, how long have you been painting signs?
Peter, I've been doing signage since 1987.
Okay, and do you mostly do computer cut vinyl signs or painted signs, or what type of signs do you normally do?
Mostly these days, Peter, they're computer generated, computer cut, digital. These days, it's changed tenfold compared to the 80s, 90s, where we used a lot of enamels, water-based product. These days, it's more self-adhesive vinyl to substrate and then installed on site.
The wind gusts were up to 65 kilometres an hour when the frame arrived and we installed the signs to it. So we decided to wait for a few days until it was much calmer.
We do a lot of Lucabond panels with digital print supplied. Mostly these days that's computer generated, so there's not much call for the handwritten signage.
When I was looking for sign writers, I wanted a painted sign, not a computer cut vinyl sign, and it was difficult to find any sign writers that could still do it. They were great computer operators, but not necessarily graphic artists, so I was very pleased to find you. So thanks very much for the time and effort that you've put into creating the sign for me.
No problem at all. It was an easy decision to go painted due to the fact of the location, due to vandalism and the extreme cold and extreme heat that you will get out there. The vinyl is only a 5 to 7 year vinyl if you applied that, so the painted version would last probably 20 years.
And we can touch it up in the future if necessary.
We can repaint it, yeah.
So you've painted a sign for me that really stamps the property with its future use as a Kauri forest.
Yes.
And it's installed on the roadside. Everybody driving by will see the sign and know the purpose of the property now. So
yeah, it's in a very prominent position, roadside. You can't miss it. It's a big sign, one of the largest I've done, due to the size and scale.
Mm. Well, the Kauri trees last for 3,000 or 4,000 years. I'm not sure that the sign's going to last quite that long, but,
No.
but it looks fabulous and you've done a great job.
Yeah, it looks really good. It's a really nice sign.
Thanks very much, Greg.
No problem at all.
If you enjoy the content and want to follow this unique project, please like and subscribe. I'll be making more videos over the coming months and years to record the progress of this unique project. Thanks for watching.